Hindi ako pipila doon sa mga nag-manual register. But instead, I'm going to use the Trazer app. The Trazer app, ito yung ginagamit sa airports at sa mga ports. At sabi ko na dati na mas maganda ito at mas magaling kaysa app na ginawa o ginamit ng MRT dati.
You need to trace 3 times the tracer code when you take the MRT. Una, sa MRT station where you entered. Then the QR code inside the train codes na sinakyan mo. And lastly, the QR code at your destination station where you have exited for your final destination. I've been using Trazer app in the airport but I only scan the QR code once, only at the departure gate. Here in the MRT, not once or twice, but thrice. Remember, I said in the past that unlike the IATF's official COVID-19 tracing app, the Stay Safe app, the Trazer app of the DOTR doesn't need internet to open it. But here at the Guadalupe station in Makati, I opened the app while I was online, meaning my phone is already connected to the internet. There were errors when I scanned the QR codes at the entrance, but eventually, nakapasok rin ako.
Okay na. Meron lang ads. May ads na. Ito na ako.
The ads disrupt the process. Remember, the developer of Trazer didn't ask for compensation from the government. Walang bayad ang paggamit ng app na ito. Ito ay binigay sa gobyerno na libre. So probably, the developer earned money from the ads on the app. You just close the ads when it appears after you scan the QR code by clicking the X mark at the upper left or yung nasa upper right of your screen. The next page will inform you that you have traced a train station successfully. Then meron detalye doon sa train station. Proceed to the next page by clicking close below. Mababasa mo at the top portion of the screen, you have traced MRT Guadalupe Station, for example, the north entrance at June 23, 2021 to 26 p.m. So, example lang yan kasi pumasok ako doon sa Guadalupe Station. Once you get inside the train, please trace QR code located overhead. Below the instruction are the buttons, blue for trace train codes. Ito yung nasa loob ka na ng train kung ititrace mo yung QR code doon. Then you have the green button. Bale, hindi mo o nakalimutan mo mag-time out, dumiretso kang lumabas sa train station na hindi ka nag-exit o hindi ka nag-scan ng QR code for the exit. So you have to click the green button for forget to time out. Then yung red, pag pumasok ka sa isang station but you decided not to ride the train. So bale, nagbago yung isip mo. Okay, so red for did not ride the train. Once inside the train codes, you'll find QR codes overhead or at the window panes. Scan the code and you'll read the number of the train codes like CKD 28 is indicated on your screen after scanning. Then blue button below says transfer to another train coach. For example, nasa isang train coach ka pero ayaw mo doon kasi parang siguro hindi malamig or what. So you have to get down from that train coach. Pag nasa isang station na, nilipat ka doon sa kabilang train coach. So you click this button, transfer to another train coach. And the other blue, the light blue button says proceed to exit. So bihira naman magta-transfer ka to another train coach. So most probably you have to click this light button or light blue button that says you have to proceed to exit. Okay? Now, pagdating mo sa station, do not exit yet. So huwag kang lumabas diretso. Hanapin mo muna yung QR code for exit. You need to scan the exit QR code na nandoon pa sa loob ng platform or just before the toll gate. Then here, I exited at the Show Boulevard station because I was going north. The scan result will show the name of the station and the time you have exited. After a few minutes at the mall, time to go home, I went back to the MRT station. This time, I turned off the internet connection of my phone. Yes, the Trazer app has opened even without the net. Gumana siya. By the way, the app reminds you to please observe social distancing while tracing. I took a scan of the entrance station QR code. There was a moment my screen blacked out and indicates there was no internet. I turned on my internet connection and surprisingly, hindi nawala yung data ko. Bumalik ako dun sa last na ginawa ko, which was after I scanned the QR code of the station. While still connected to the net, I scanned the QR code inside the train codes and then I turned off again my internet. Even without internet connection, I was able to scan the exit QR code of the station and finally went home. DOTR says the Trazer app uses recursive QR code that is always changing every few minutes to prevent others from taking a screenshot of your QR code and use it. Para sa akin, OA na to, since nobody can afford to make a screenshot of your phone without you knowing it. Especially we are on social distancing inside the train now. Stay safe, not the app, but on your daily activities. Use the technology instead of writing your details on a piece of paper. Trace it at the MRT, airport, and port. High-tech tabay! Ako si Jun Tariman, daghang salamat.